Hi all, Neci Love Harmon here, What She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be adding the spool thread to the Singer Simple 3337 series sewing machine. So make sure that you have your spool thread available as well as your bobbin thread. We'll be doing that in the next tutorial, and let's get started. Put the spool thread on the spool holder here, and then place the spool holder on. So I'm going to take the thread and put it through number 1 here. Number 1 is here. I'm going to take the thread and just hold it in 2 hands and just so that you can see it also. So I'm going to take it and just let it go up, click, and it should go in there. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2 is here. So we're going to take it and put it behind the thread guide there, and we're good to go. All right, for number 3, we are going down for number 3. So number 4, we're going to go back up. Now, if you turn the machine this way, you'll see that this is the take-up lever. Now, in order to, we have to have this thread take-up lever in its highest position. In order to do that, you need to turn the hand wheel and then it'll come up, and you need to make sure that it's in its highest position right now. So for number 4, the thread comes up. It's going to go behind the take-up lever and come back to the front, and you see that it is now looped into the machine. So I'm gonna get a little closer so you can see it up close. All right, so I'm gonna take it and go behind it and then come forward, and you see that it'll loop up and now it's inside of the hole. That is what you want. Number 6 goes down, and then this guide tells you it goes through the clamp and through the needle. Okay, so here we go. Clamp is here. Okay, I'm going to put it through the right side of the clamp and it will go in there. Okay, so yes, so now it's in there, and then we're going to put it through the hole of the needle. Okay, make sure your needle is in its highest position. You may need to cut the thread to make it sharp. So I'm going to take my little snips here and cut the thread. Some people put the thread in their mouth. I used to do that back in the day, but now I think it's kind of gross. But do you? All right, I'm going to take the thread and put it through the hole of the needle. I'm going to do this with my other hand so y'all can't see it since I am ambidextrous. All right, there you go. All right, so we gently put it through the hole like that, and we're going to gently pull the thread so that it doesn't loop around the needle. The thread should be going front to back, and that is it. So we have successfully threaded the top part of the sewing machine. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Give us video ideas. Hit that super thanks. Check us out on our socials, as well as we have online courses that are here, as well as digital patterns and other merchandise. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy sewing.